Hello, I'm Lynn Miller from the Department of Management and Leadership at LaSalle. I'm also the director of the General Business Administration major. This is our most flexible option for studying business at LaSalle. It is the major chosen by students who plan to perhaps run a small business or just wish for various reasons to have a general business background. I want to tell you a little about that major today and tell you about job opportunities within the major. Uh, for all of our incoming students who want to study business at LaSalle, start by taking some business core courses. You don't actually need to choose a major when you come. In fact, a lot of students start off as undecided business administration majors. We call it UBA, undecided business administration. You will take, as a business major in general, no matter what your area of specialization, you'll take courses in accounting and finance, marketing, management, business analytics, computer technology, to give you some background. And then by the time you're a junior, usually students will decide whether they want to specialize in marketing or management, for example. But many students choose not to specialize for various reasons, and that's why we have the business administration major. In business administration, you will meet with an advisor every semester. You'll meet with a faculty member who will talk with you about your career interests. We'll talk with you about what kinds of work experience you have, as well as what you'd like to end up doing. And we'll try to tailor upper level business courses around your particular needs or interests. For the major, you only need to take 6 upper level business courses in addition to the general business core courses that you've already taken. So students, for example, if you want to run your family's construction business or work in that business, we might recommend maybe you should take a course in cost management, since there are a lot of costs involved in construction work. Perhaps a course in risk management, perhaps some work in contract law, obviously working with contracts often. We have a course in entrepreneurship called Growing a Business that could be useful for any small business. If the business you want to work in is more what we call labor intensive, involves a lot of human interaction, human service, such as running a business that provides home health aides to people. We might suggest courses in human resource management, maybe a marketing course that's often valuable for small businesses. So we will work with you to try to choose courses that make sense for you. We'll also be talking with you about making sure you get professional experience in your field, whether it's a part-time job, summer job, or more formalized internship. Most of our students will graduate with some sort of work experience, and we strongly encourage that. Then what kinds of jobs do students go into? Some of them will of course run the family businesses, but we've had students who go on to start businesses of their own, who work in retail, hotel industry, restaurant industry, which often just require a general business background. Some of our students go into fashion merchandising. They're interested in the fashion industry. Some go to law school, and general business background is really useful for that, or some just go on for an MBA, Master's in Business Administration. We've had quite a few students who actually go on to work in the military or for police forces or the FBI. So this is, that general business background that can be useful for those kinds of majors. If you have any questions, I'm at miller@lasalle.edu. Could not be much easier, right? I hope to see you in September as an explorer. Bye now.